Hi everyone. In this video we check it what is Spiderfoot. If I go in my browser, double click and open my browser. Spiderfoot is an open source. Let I open new browser. If I write Spiderfoot like this, Spiderfoot is an open source intelligence tool designed for automation, reconnaissance, and it collects data about the target. Now, if I have target, like for example, if I write here Tesla, because the big company, Tesla, for example, if I make Tesla and click OK.com, Tesla.com, for example, Facebook.com, those companies is a big one. For example, we take someone and check it. It make Spiderfoot make automation for reconnaissance. It collect data about target. For example, if you have some target website and you need to get his IP address, domain name, email list from over network, not for inside, over network. If you need data there, for example, if I say Jeep Telecom, because the company is a safe company, so for example, this is a company, the other company, Facebook, and you need to get those things. You can use Spiderfoot because he makes search over 100 public source. For example, like DNS, Swiss, Shadow, and more. Social media. It runs a web server by default. So let I go there. I clean my. If I write Spiderfoot like this, and don't forget Spiderfoot is a pre-installed Kali Linux. If I run and click tab to continue, this is the default web server. I click OK. When you run like this, Spiderfoot L, this is the default web server. So don't close this terminal. You go to your browser, open new tab, and here I write 01 and I added the port number 009. And this is our Spiderfoot. Here you have the logo and new scan and setting. So who use Spiderfoot? Is Spiderfoot used for penetration testing to map a target attack surface. For example, if you need to expose server or subdomain, you can use threat intelligence can also use to identify potential vulnerability or leak data. You can get more info. For example, research security or security researcher can investigate to using Spiderfoot. So let's see it. If I click new scan and I give name, for example, I give test, and here I write facebook.com, and down you see cases, different cases. What can, for example, if I say all, you get anything and everything about the target. For example, you can get all, but me, I don't need all of those things. I need just footprinting. For example, if I say footprinting, I get understand what information this target exposed to the internet. If I say investigate, just make me investigate. He give you best for when you suspect the target. So you can also say passive, but now I say all to get more data and run. When I click run, he start running and make a scan easily. It's good for beginners and it's a free open source. So you can use, but you can use for permission. You can make a scan for everywhere, and you can use for free. So if I back to my scans, here you see all a scan you make it. This is a scan I start. Now the status of my scan is starting. After that he say running. For example, now I have another, for example, DeepSeek. I have Dahabshil. I have Tesla. If I open Dahabshil, for example, it show you something. I click Dahabshil and I click browser. Here you can see email, affiliate email address. If I click, you see abuse. This is an email. This is the source of data of that email. This is another email. So you can get all things. If I back to the browser, I say, let's see it, country name or IP address. If I click IP address, you see this is the IP address of the company, not but some IP address. You can get sensitive data, but just you need when you see different thing. Oh, open TCP port. You see those port is open port. This one and this one is an open port in that IP address. So when you get something data, sensitive data like this, you must go back to the website and make updates. Or if you make pen testing and you get something data sensitive in internet like this, you must make more secure and update. So that is our Spiderfoot tutorial, and see you in the next video. Ciao.